Introducing the Boat Dock, 100 square feet of floating real estate. So, what is it? It's a roll-up, fold-up, inflatable floating platform that's rigid as hell. Normally, this is the time that I'd tell you what it's good for. Except, in this case, there's too many options. Lakes, sandbars, you could even use it for a river float trip. You figure it out. It's super portable, so go ahead, take it with you. Simple? Yeah. Functional? Hell yeah. Anchor up, tie it off, or just float away. The dock makes those other floats feel a bit inadequate. See? Even dogs dig it. Over the years, we've made some pretty radical gear for staying active. But this, we've simply made for hanging out. Simply. This is the Dock FX, the newest member to our dock line that we've made almost exclusively for fitness applications. I'm going to walk you through it today and show you what it's good for. First, the dock rolls up and fits in its unique little carry sling with pump included. Unroll it and inflate it. The Dock FX is super simple. It's essentially a floating rectangle that's super stable, super rigid when inflated, and super practical. The FX is basically your floating fitness mat. It's good for yoga, personal fitness, doing core activities. It's one of my personal favorites, even though it's the simplest item we make. The FX is constructed with our standard aeroboat technology. We've also included some of the same features. We've got a full-length traction pad for comfort over the entire surface. So if you're doing yoga, if you're doing fitness and you're laying down, we've got you covered there. On the front, we've included bungees, which are super useful for strapping down your water bottle or any other gear you've got. Also, you'll notice 2 sets of handles. The handles are great doing ab activities or core exercises. They're also useful if you want to integrate resistance bands for training. On the sides are large D-rings. These are great for attaching multiple Dock FXs together. Also good for anchoring in personal pools or in open water. On the front and the end, we've included 2 D-rings to help attach to pool lanes. So if you're doing activities in swimming pools with lanes, you can remove a center lane line and attach the docks to the sides. On the bottom, we've included 1 grab handle so you can carry it once it's inflated. You could also use it as a secondary backup anchor point in open water. It's also extremely light, less than 20 pounds, so carrying it anywhere, it should be no problem. The D-rings on the side also serve to attach our travel link so you can carry it without using your hands, which is pretty cool. So listen, ask yourself, why does anybody work out? So they can party. And when you're ready to party, the Dock FX doubles as your floating table. Toss a cooler on it, throw some cups, play a cool game of beer pong, or just hang out with your friends. At least that's what I do when I party. The Dock FX is 8 foot long, 3 feet wide, 6 inches thick, and safely for a workout about 250 pound capacity.